How to log in Messenger app. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So the first step is you need to open up your Messenger application on your device. Once you open up the app, you'll be able to see the text fields like this. So in the first text field, you need to enter your phone number or email, and similarly in the second text field, you need to enter your password associated with your Messenger account. If you forgot your password, then you can go for forget password option, where you will be helped to reset your password. And once again, by following this simple step, you can log into a Messenger account. For entering, you can simply tap on the text field. And once you're done entering your information, you have to go for login. And finally, after a few seconds, you can see my account has been logged in. So this is how you can log in Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.